Talk about that forecast. You saw the windy sign. Here's Maddie.
Yeah, here's the biggest reason why. We've got a high wind watch in effect for parts of our area and then a wind advisory also in effect. So take a close look at your screen here. You can see the city of Columbus, Delaware County, Franklin County, and you can see all the way down to the south, including Chillicothe to Piketon. And then out to the west, the darker shade is that high wind watch that we have in effect. All of this is being put out early because we're looking at winds gusting between 50 and 60 miles per hour tomorrow afternoon. So it's going to get real windy tomorrow. This is a look at our wind gust forecast. You can see that even starting at say 6 a.m. we'll begin to watch those wind gusts upwards to 20 plus miles per hour. But the real wind again really cranks up after say about 7 a.m. By about 10 a.m. there you see up towards Kenton, Bucyrus, Marion, those winds really cranking up as we go through tomorrow afternoon before they do die down the later we get into the afternoon, especially heading into Thursday night. But it is looking like a very windy day, something we don't see that often around here. So a windy day for our Thursday. Also, we could be seeing some severe weather. The Storm Prediction Center placing most of our area under a marginal risk of severe weather because any of the storms that move through tonight could be strong to severe. Two things I'm tracking. Out there right now, kind of a lull in between this storm system. 30 degrees currently here in the city of Columbus. And again, we are looking at a little bit of fog out to our west. Today's forecast features highs a step cooler than yesterday. We should be right around 50, but get ready for a very warm day tomorrow. Satellite and radar picture has where the rain is currently down into Arkansas. All that rain you see here moving up towards Ohio as we go through tonight. So when does the rain begin to move in? Here you go, your hour by hour forecast. Again, today it's dry. We are looking at a mix of sun and clouds. Later on this evening, especially after about 8 o'clock, here comes the rain. Here's 8 p.m. looking at scattered showers moving in across the southwest to the northeast across the area, overspreading all of our area by about midnight. And then individual thunderstorms could pop up right around midnight tonight through early tomorrow morning. That's where we could see maybe a severe thunderstorm warning with some strong winds. But again, it's going to be windy whether we're going to see thunderstorms or not, because we're going to have those winds ramping up through tomorrow afternoon, along with just a couple of lingering showers. Most of the rain is done by noon tomorrow, but that wind stays with us and the warm temperatures stay with us all the way through our Thursday. Taking a look at your 10-day forecast here, you can see that, of course, we've got tomorrow shaded. That, again, is because rain moves in first. Then we've got the wind, and then also we've got warm conditions in the highs in the low 60s for tomorrow. It does get cooler by the upcoming weekend. We're looking at high temperatures dropping into the upper 30s by Saturday, in the 40s heading into Sunday.